Today in this class we are going to revise small cursive letters A to D in this cursive letter book, and those who have, you can write in this copy from A to D letters. So first of all we do work in this cursive letter book. Here the letters are given. First you read the letters A, B, C, D, and next you trace these letters here. Trace here on this, go slanting up, write like C, close it and come down to the basic line and go little bit upwards. And next B, start from this basic line, go slanting up and turn, make a loop here, come down to the basic line and go up to the upper middle line and do like this. And next letter C, again start from this basic line and next letter is D. Same as like C, you write like C, close it and go up to the top lines and come down to the basic line and go up little bit. Again, watch carefully kids, start from this basic line up to the upper middle line slantingly and come down, reverse curve it, like write like C, close it and A. B. B, start from this same basic line, go straight, slantingly, not straight, go slantingly up to the top line, turn and come down, make a loop here, come down to the basic line, then go up to the upper middle line and small loop and write like this B. And next C, go slanting, make a curve, write like C. And next D, same, write like C, close it and go straight up to the top line, touch the top line and come down to the basic line. So you complete this page, and next page is page number 21. In this, match the pictures starting from the same letter. Here pictures are given and you have to match the pictures with the same letter. Just like first you read the, identify the pictures. What picture is this? This is clock. Clock. And the first starting beginning letter is C. K. Clock. So K. C. And next what picture is this? Arrow. A. First letter is A. And next picture is duck. D. D. Duck. D. And this picture is, yes, bell, correct, B. 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 Bell. B. And now tell what picture is this? Tell me. Dolphin. D. D. Dolphin. Next, butterfly, and the starting letter B. 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 Butterfly. And next one, camel. K. K. Camel. C. And so now what to do? We have to match the pictures with the same letters. So this one is C, and where is C? Here, camel. Clock, camel. So we match clock with the camel. And next, arrow. A. We match with ant. And other two you do yourself. And next we are moving to the page number 22. In this page, see the picture and trace its first letter. See the picture, identify the picture, read the picture and trace the first letter. Here three letters are given. One letter is correct letter. You have to trace only one letter that starts with the picture. What picture is this? Cake. Yes, you all like cakes? Yes, I also like cake. And the cake, the first letter is K. K. Cake. And the letter is C. Is it correct? Yes, it's correct. So you trace on this C. Next, butterfly. Butterfly. And the first letter is A. Is it right? No, it's wrong. B. Is it correct? Yes, it's correct. So B for butterfly. You trace on it. And next letter. What picture is this? Drum. Drum. D means D. Is it? No. Is it? Yes. So trace on this D letter. D for drum. And next? C? No. D for drum. And this picture is? You all like this fruit. Apple. So you write here. Trace this A letter. So you do this. And next, page number 23. In this 23, this is a boy. He is standing and he wants to eat the cake. But here is no way to reach the cake. You have to find out the way to reach this cake to the boy. So help him to reach the cake. He will start from here, kids. Yes. And come down. Yes. He can't go here because here is line. So he will go like this and again he will go up. There is no way to go. So he will go up and again horizontal he will come. So like this he will go up again because there is no way, and he will come down and he will go here. No, he will come here down and he will move to this side, left side, and again will go up, and like this he will reach to cake, to eat yummy tasty cake like this. This is the way. So you also find out the way. You also reach the cake. Help the boy. You can use any color pencil also. Don't use sketch color skates. And now next I will tell you how to write small cursive letters in this English notebook. For this, start from this basic line, slanting up, make a curve, write like C and close it and come down to the basic line and curve it little bit upside. A. You also read and write like this. Next letter B. Start from this basic line, go slantingly up to the top line and turn and make a loop here and come down to the basic line and go up again to the upper middle line. And next C. And next D. Write like C, go up to the top line, come down, and so you finish this.